welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Oil prices have edged down by nearly half to 2/3% on Tuesday after surging nearly 2% in the previous trading session as traders closely monitored the development in the Russia-Ukraine conflict for potential disruption to regional fuel supplies. We have seen Brent crude prices which were hovering above $68 and close to 3-week high are now trading close to $67 a barrel. It has actually fallen by nearly half to 0.6%. Same is the case with WTI crude, which lost a couple of cents to be trading close to $64 a barrel. We had seen both the contracts were trading to the levels highest in more than 2 weeks on Monday, with WTI climbing up the 100-day moving average. Barclays said that oil prices remain in a tight range amid the geopolitical volatility and relatively resilient fundamentals. Gold prices meanwhile managed to edge higher to 2-week high, holding above $3,400 an ounce as the dollar slipped after US President Donald Trump said that he was removing Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook from her position on the Fed's board of directors. We have seen US gold futures for December edging and trading closer to $34.20 an ounce. Silver prices meanwhile are where you need to keep your eye on, because the white metal prices have surged to near $39 an ounce on Tuesday, rebounding from the previous session losses after US President Donald Trump announced the removal of the Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. Now the prices are hovering close to 1-month highs and above $39.70, it would actually reach out to its 14-year high. So, silver is one place where you need to keep your eye on. The move fueled concerns about the Fed's independence and its ability to maintain monetary policy free from political influence. On the industrial side, if you see, silver demand was underpinned by strong photovoltaic sector demand coming from China. Copper prices we saw edged higher on the COMEX, that's the US futures, and is trading above $4.50 per pound on Tuesday, advancing for 5th consecutive session as the metal drew increased investor interest amid potential policy shifts in the United States of America. Copper along with other metals on LME were not trading. It was a trading holiday because of the late summer bank holiday in United Kingdom. But today we have seen that the 3-month copper is trading close to $98.50 a ton with a slight positive bias. Chile's mining regulator has imposed additional requirements on Codelco for resuming operations in areas affected by a deadly collapse at its El Teniente copper mine in the month of July. Codelco meanwhile has cut its copper forecast for the year due to impact of the incident. Arabica coffee futures, once again we saw in the previous trading session coffee prices which were on a rising spree for last 8 trading sessions took a little breather, but they are trading very close to 3.5-month high as certified stocks at ICE exchange fell and this year's Brazilian crop looked smaller than it was initially expected.